Hey, what's up, Dean? Safe Performance. We're at the shop again. Um, been a couple of days, so his motor's no longer here. It's right there. I pulled the intake back off. I got the push rods in it, rocker arms in it. He already had a set of hardened push rods in his old motor, which is right there. But you have to use the 6.2 offset rockers. These actually do have trunnion upgrade, which I haven't checked any of these to see if possibly one of the rockers is messed up, one of the trunnions is messed up. Um, so I don't know yet what's going on with this motor, that it had some weird knock. I haven't found anything but there was a couple of lifters that kind of stuck when I took the rockers off. Like I loosened the bolt, and then suddenly the lifter shot back up. So it could be that he had bad lifters. I believe they're like LS7 style lifters, which I'm not a fan of those. But I got this. The oil pan's off of that, which you actually do have to take the diff and the transaxle piece on the other side. You have to take both off to get to the oil pan bolts. So I did that, got it off. Then scraped the pan, cleaned the pan the best I could, like cleaned up the outside of it a little bit, but I cleaned the inside of it pretty good, cleaned the rail really, really good. I did the rear cover. So it's got a new gasket and new rear main seal. Then put the pan on, new pan gasket. Bolted the diff stuff back on because I'm going to set it in the truck. And I just lowered the truck a little while ago and put the converter that I had from a long, long time ago. It's a 4L60 converter. I believe it's from Thor. Um, I believe that's the company. But it's like a 1800 stall, kind of a towing converter. So it'll be a lot better for him, what he wants to do in a sense. The cam we put in doesn't require a converter. Oof. So that should be good. Hold on. Yahoo. Oh, it's better. Yeah, the cam we put in there doesn't require a converter. Um, so having a little bit of a converter will help a little bit, but it doesn't need it. So yeah, valve covers are on. That motor is now 100% ready to go into his truck. I'm out of time today. It's like 4 o'clock. So I'm actually going to not attempt to put it in there. I had to clean the floor again. His truck decided to throw up out the front of the trans. So I cleaned Sean's hood that it leaked on again. Cleaned the floor. Took me forever. But I cleaned it all up. Got the motor ready. Got the converter in. So now it doesn't throw up anymore. And I'm going to head out of here. And tomorrow morning, I should get here and straight away just back up the Boucher 2J, Sean's car, drop his truck down, set the motor in. Again, my goal for tomorrow, if I can get the motor in, bolted to the transmission, converter bolted up, I work from the bottom up. So I'll do the starter, the wiring along the bottom, like the grounds and the knock sensors. I have to change the pigtail for the oil pressure sensor and the pigtail for the coolant temp sensor. Both of those are broke and they act a little funny. I don't know about the coolant temp sensor if it acted funny, but I know the oil pressure acts funny. Then he's crybabying about his throttle body harness, but I think it's broke on the throttle body side. Let's see. Yeah, I think that little clip there is broke. Maybe not though. Yeah, it kind of looks broke, like the piece that holds it on is broke. So being that we're putting a new throttle body on it here. Oh yeah, it's definitely broke. That thing's huge. You can see it standing up in the middle. It's a big clip that harness clips onto. Ay, ay, ay. So that big clip there will clip the harness on. So of course, Jeff, you're wrong. I don't have to change a pigtail. I don't have to touch that, which is good. But yeah, I want to get the motor in, the axles in, flywheel bolts, or yeah, I have to put the flywheel on it still. I want to do the torque converter bolts, then do the starter, then do all the grounds, get the harness laid under the axle, because on this side it was over the axle and it was kind of rubbing a little bit. So I'm going to put the harness under the axle so it doesn't rub, and probably zip tie it down to the frame, and then just kind of keep moving along. I did order a new water pump. I have it here up front. I haven't opened it yet. Let's open it. So it's the wrong one. This is a truck style with the big tall neck, even though it's for a 2006 Trailblazer SS. Now mind you, they may have changed it, but I don't think they did. His is not the tall neck. His is the shorty top neck. So more like that one there. So I don't know. Maybe I'll just give him his money back. I'll keep that truck pump. I'll swap them out pumps. But that's it for now. There's something clapping away outside. I don't know what it is. But yeah, I will do another update tomorrow. So appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment, hit the bell to be notified of new videos, and have a good day.